Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of our Learning Google Sheets series. In this tutorial we're going to learn the basic overview of Google Sheets and how to locate cells. So once you open up a new sheet, you can see that you have your title here. You have a couple options up here to star. You can move it. This is the document status, whether or not it's being saved or is saved. Because it's in the cloud with a check mark, that means it's being saved. If we were going to type something here and click off, you see it says it's saving and save to drive. Up here we have our different menu options, and then underneath that we have some shortcuts to those. As you can see, there's an undo and redo function here. Now if we go under edit, you can see undo and redo is there as well. So those are, generally speaking, shortcuts that can be found in the menu bar above. Now, as far as dealing with a spreadsheet, if you're brand new to spreadsheets, essentially you have different cells that you can enter in data or any other kind of like text, any other kind of designs, that sort of thing, sometimes charts. And so just the basic overview, to click and select a cell, you just have to kind of hover over and click on it. And it highlights in blue, and then you know you're on that particular cell, and then you can type in what you want. Now, in Google Sheets and other spreadsheet programs, the horizontal axis here is labeled with letters starting with A, going all the way to Z, and then it generally goes AA, BB, and it kind of goes on forever. And so, for example, I'm just going to put A1. I'm just going to label the cell there, A1. Because the vertical axis starts at 1 and it starts counting up as you go down, and it goes, on essentially forever, or for as long as you would need it to go. So the very first cell here is A1. The one below it's going to be A2. One below that is A3. The one here would be B1 because it is, horizontally it's B and vertically it's 1. Underneath that's B2. And then B3. Okay, and then same here. This one's C1, C2, and C3. And it's good to know kind of how to select and locate specific cells, because that's the basics that you're gonna build from, that you can really kind of build out really complex personal a personal calculator for like any kind of function you might need using this. And so that's essentially where you're going to start kind of building the understanding, and we'll kind of build from here. But that's the very first thing that you need to know. Thanks for attending. We'll see you in the next one.